In the heart of Ethiopia, a long-lost tribe named the Somali Afar, rumored to have extraterrestrial ties, resided in seclusion, guarding ancient knowledge and forging a mystical connection with the cosmos. Whispers of their rituals and celestial wisdom echoed through the ages, captivating the imagination of those who sought to unveil the secrets concealed within the tribe's remote existence.